Hello traders, I am making this video during the trading day on Thursday, April 20th, as I need to do an update to the video I did last night for the S&P and Nasdaq, as some key levels were just broken on both of those indexes. So let's get to the charts. All right, so yesterday I was saying that in this move up here, I was thinking that there were some running flats going on, and it was all based on because there was this impulse right here. And and I said that I thought that this was a running flat. And then they went up strong yesterday, so I was expecting a pullback and going up, but then during the London trading session, they went and they broke that low. So that's not a running flat over here. And so then I was thinking, well, maybe this is they're creating like just a big ending diagonal, something like this is 1, 2, 3. I thought that was 1. Here's 3 down for 2. There's 3. And then I thought 1, 2, and then they came down here this morning, and I thought that might be 4, and then they started going up, and then they created an impulse here. And so I was like, oh yeah, okay, so I think we're going up for the 5th wave to break this. But then they broke down and they broke that level again. So, and not only did they break that low, they broke, well, for me anyway, an important one right there. They broke that low too, barely, just by, what is that, 1 point. But they broke it. So that invalidates that this is what I thought it was an ending diagonal. So when I zoom back out, I still don't see how that we can be complete, because I still have this as a leading diagonal and correction. And so now we would need 5 waves up, and I've got, here's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's 1 and 2, but this I can't get 5 waves out of here. So I don't know. Unless I'm really missing something, I think we still have to go up and break the top just one more time. So here's what I'm watching. I'm wondering if this is like the 1 and a 2, and then this was all an ending diagonal. So 1 came down for 2 and 3, up for 3, down for 4, and then up for 5. So you got your 1, 2, 3. And then with this, right now as it stands, it's a running flat. So you got 1, correction, 2, and came down in 3. And right now, they're starting to pull back off of that low that they created, but we'll see if that stands. So it's possible that they're creating an ending diagonal in this little thing. So 1, 2, 3, that'd be 1, that'd be 2, and then they'll come up in 3, break it, come down in 3, and then go back up in 3 one more time. So that's what I'm watching. So, because I still think that they have to break this one more time. But obviously, if they do break that low, that totally invalidates it. But I don't even think you need to get that low to know if they are going down. Like, this could be the top. So what I'm watching, so far we got 3 waves down, 1, 2, and 3. So if they give just a small little pullback here and then come back down, now they can't go higher than that, so I'd have to pull that down. Then they come back down and break that low, then that's an impulse. So then you got to watch, because then you'll get a correction. Oops. Some type of correction. And then when they come down, then kind of like the moment of truth. Because if they come and they break that low, then the top is most likely in. And we're going way down. But if they come and just break it, that still could just be a 1, 2, 3 for 2, and then, then we're just going to be in this range forever, because then it'll be up for 3, down for 3, and then back up for 3. So this next area will be, this next wave will be interesting to watch, because we got 1, 2, 3. So now if they go up and break this, but only go in 3, and then come back down and break this, then it's looking like that they're going to be coming all the way down. So, this little area is going to be really crucial here. If they do break above 41.50, this is on. I'm sorry, I should put that. This is on the ES, the S&P futures. If they break above 41.50, then we're not in an impulse down. But then if they do come up and break here, but then come back and break the low, then that's looking really bearish. So, I mean, first we got to see where this candle ends. How far down it goes. They might push it down farther. So that they can create a 3-wave correction for 4 and come back down for 5. And then we'll have to. This will be the impulse. So we got to wait and see. But this is going to be. This whole area right in here. That'll be a really crucial area to watch to kind of get a sense of what they're doing. I'm still in the belief that they got to go and break up, but I don't know. This pretty strong candle here. So watch the reaction in this area. And if we take a look at the Nasdaq, the same thing. Get rid of that. It looks like this is a running flat here. And so, so far we've got 1, 2, and 3 down. And you got 1, 2, and 3 up. So is this 1 and that's 2 and now we're totally going down, or is that just a correction? 1, 2, 3 up, that's 1. 1, come on, 2, and 3, and that's 2, and then we're going to reverse here for 3. Go up for 3, go down for 4, and then go back up in 3 for 5. So, like I said yesterday, just like the S&P, I think this top has to get broken once more to complete this pattern. So same thing on the Nasdaq, they're a lot closer to the bottom. So this, if that gets broken, 12925, then because then we got 3 down and then we would have 3 up, and if they break this, then I think looks like they'd probably be creating a leading diagonal, which means we're going way down. So then the top would be in, and somehow I missed something here on the Nasdaq though, it could be that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and so yeah, the correction could be starting here, because then I would expect a bigger correction in the Nasdaq before they resume and break this top one more time. So yeah, both the S&P and Nasdaq, this little, both of them, that little area is really crucial. If the Nasdaq breaks down below that, then that confirms that a big correction is underway here. So keep an eye on this. This will be interesting the next probably 2 days, I would guess. Maybe even tomorrow. They might just shoot this down if they're starting the correction. So with Tesla coming out yesterday, I don't know, maybe the earnings are going to be real bad next week with who's reporting, Meta, and I'm sure Amazon and Apple. So maybe they're all going to give bad results and bad guidance, and that makes this market really shoot down again. So keep an eye on both of these little areas here and see what they're doing here. All right, just wanted to get this out as things changed for me on my wave count there. So, all right, hope that helps. Be careful out there. See you in the next video. Bye.